Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to access VHM in cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here at cpanel.net if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So what you can do is you can register for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can just go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can get started setting up cPanel on your computer. So once you have set up cPanel guys, you can go ahead and access the dashboard. That's going to look like this. So this is going to be your cPanel dashboard where you can manage all the settings you have such as email, files, databases, and so on. And now we can get started with VHM. So as you can see, take a look at right here on the official cPanel website, we have an article showing us how to get started with VHM and how we can add it to our website. So if you scroll down a bit, we can find all the steps that we need. So as you can see, to get started in preparing VHM, you can go ahead and get started with purchasing a license for cPanel and VHM, after which you can continue. So first thing is first you open up this URL right here of your IP address. So what you want to do is find this article right here for yourself on the official website and get started with following all the steps right here. So by entering the URL, you can log in using the root username and password, and after logging into VHM successfully, you can get started setting everything up with setting up your host name. You can confirm your DNS resolvers, everything you need to edit your website. So what you can do is follow all the steps in this page right here to successfully add and input VHM into your website and get started with using it, and all of that can be done right here from cPanel. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.